Sisimula ka na sa IT, tanggap ka na, right?
Mm.
So, nandun ka na, support ka na, entry level,
Support muna. Mm.
support, oo, support. So, ano na yung challenges mo coming into the team, coming into the support role in terms of mismo dun sa role mismo and at the same time, dun sa work environment din. Ano yung mga challenges mo?
The challenges were siyempre, again, siyempre ang layo ng course ko with this one, 'di ba? There
Mm.
are some terminologies, theories siyempre, and practices na iba talaga, 'di
Mm.
ba? Kapag may binigay silang mga, "Oh, ito yung practice on, ganito pala yung nangyayaring fixes, ganito yung mga hot fixes, ganito yung way ng development." So parang, gano'n pala 'yun, oo. So siyempre ikaw, yes, you have a passion for fixing the software, you wanted quality for the software, kaya nagto-troubleshoot ka, 'di ba?
Mm.
Tapos malalaman mo na, okay, user error, so tutulungan mo yung user. 'Pag nalaman mong, hindi pala kasalanan ng user, talagang problema talaga sa software. So ire-report mo naman sa development team na, "Uy, for fixing 'to, for prod fix siya," parang gano'n. Production fixes siya. Then siyempre ikaw, siyempre may passion ka for the job, you want it fixed also kaagad for the user. Then magtataka ka, bakit ganito hindi nafi-fix kaagad, hindi nafi-fix kaagad. So magtataka ka bakit, alam mo yun, you will start to be curious about things tapos biglang, okay, it's beyond your scope pala or beyond your, I would say, unit scope kasi pang-support nga kayo, pang-prod support nga lang kayo, eh, or alam mo yun. So parang, ay, oo nga 'no. So yung mga bagay na minsan hindi binibigay yun during training. Ang training niyo lang
Oo.
is more on how to navigate the software, dun lang. So, it's
Mm.
outside the scope already. So, minsan ito yung mga bagay na kailangang alamin mo on your own by asking
Mm.
people.
Mm.
Sometimes, minsan when you ask the people, dahil sila rin, limited din, you figure things out on your own and then just ask people if tama yung pagkakaintindi mo. Or sometimes you
Mm.
chat somebody on the other department or on the other unit na, kayo ba yung nagfi-fix nito? Bakit ganito? Eh, although hindi mo, you will ask them naman, bakit pala I mean, it's taking time. Ano palang challenges nun? Siyempre
Mm.
hindi mo naman iko-communicate sa client bakit matagal, 'di ba? So, sasabihin mo naman, kasi ikaw nga yung ano, eh, ikaw nga yung nag-interface sa kanila, eh. So, mga
Mm.
gano'ng
Okay.
bagay. Those were the challenges then. You had to learn new practices, no, on
Mm.
that industry or on that profession. Ano yung technicalities, ganito pala, this is how things, pati yung terms kasi, for example, hot fixes, akala mo fix lang, may mga hot fix, may mga prod fixes pala, may mga development fixes pala. Ito pala yung bug, ito pala yung, okay. So,
Mm.
may mga new terms kang mare-realize na wala pala sa nakaraang mundo mo, mga gano'n.
Hmm. Gotcha, gotcha.